Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to improve your credit score with Lendingclub strategies. Lendingclub offers tools, features that can help you steadily improve your credit score over time. First, make consistent on-time payments on any Lendingclub loans or credit products. Payment history is the single biggest factor in your credit score, and Lendingclub reports to the major credit bureaus. Second, consider consolidating high-interest debt into a single Lendingclub loan. This can lower your overall credit utilization and make repayments easier to manage. Keeping utilizations low is another major contributor to a stronger score. Third, regularly review your credit reports through Lendingclub's score tracking tool. This lets you monitor progress and quickly spot inaccuracies that may need disputing. Finally, avoid taking on unnecessary debts. Focus on manageable repayments and gradually building a positive credit history with Lendingclub support. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.